Okay, so yeah. Hello everyone. We haven't uploaded in a while, but finally this is our first video after a while, and today we're gonna do something really fun, right? Today we're gonna do
Monster Jam!
Yeah.
Toys.
Yeah. So yeah, when we say Monster Jam specifically, we're doing a Monster Jam champion arena. Yeah. Here, let's show you the arena. Well, this is the arena, everyone. It just looks awesome, right, folks?
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. Okay, let's show you around. We got some ramps here with a high jump ramp and a ramp, and then we got more ramps. This ramp, they got this ramp, and the longer ramp. Then yeah, we got 3 more ramps here. Got this one, and this one. And then we got flip ramps and another high jump ramp. And then the coolest part is here in the middle. We got some barrels here and a container. Then we got a ramp here that will jump over crush cars. And then we got containers here and here. Are you excited to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Wait, what's that? The monster trucks are here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we gotta get all the monster trucks out of here. Yep, very cool. Oh, got more here. Okay. Okay, there we go. We forgot to show you this earlier, but yeah, here it is. The dirt squad is here just in case we need them. Okay, so now that the monster trucks are here, let's meet them all. Okay, so those are all the monster trucks, so let's get started.
Yes.
Okay, so what monster truck do you want to choose first?
My favorite is.
What do you want? What do you want?
I think I love
What do you want?
Mohawk. So I think I'll choose Mohawk Warrior.
Mohawk Warrior, can I see him? It's kind of dark. Okay, there you go. Okay. Mohawk Warrior. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Come on, do some ramps. Oh, donut first? We'll go do the flip ramp. Oh! Oh! Uh-oh! Ah, I crashed. Okay, we'll fix that later. Do the high jump. Oh no, that's the far jump. Never mind, okay. Go! Oh!
And also donuts too.
Oh, okay. Okay, do some more cool tricks.
Let me go here.
Whoa! Oh, wait, crashing the cars. Oh, messed them up. So I've got all these other ramps here that you haven't tried. Here, try this high jump ramp. This blue one here. Okay, try it. Oh! Oh! Here, we got some barrels and a container here. Oh! Get the barrels. Oh, knock them down. Oh! Oh no, Save! Okay, this is your final jump. Make it good. Make it super extreme. Oh my god! Where did he go? Okay, let's tow him. Tail, and then we'll hook him to the back. Okay, carry him back. Here, put him in this garage here. This is our garage, this table. How are you going all the way there? Okay.
I put him inside here.
Okay. Okay. There. And okay, here. Just put him there. That's where he stays. So the stadium here got really messed up. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. We need someone to fix this. So who do we need?
Dirt Squad.
Da 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 da. So Roland's job is to fix some ramps. So we gotta flatten this ramp up here. Okay, let's do some more. Okay, then we gotta realign this ramp here, like beep 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 beep, and about there we go. And then we gotta fix the foot ramp. So there and there. Okay. Fix this ramp. So Diggs here is gonna fix everything else, like the crash cars, the barrels, the containers. Okay, first we're gonna fix the barrels. I meant containers. Now we can fix the barrels. Barrels. And now we gotta fix the crush cars. Okay, so what monster truck do you want to go next? Okay.
Max D.
Max D? Okay. So, Maxie is really good at stunts, so you gotta make him good here, okay? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Oh no, what if the barrels went under? Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Now, here.
Oh!
Now, do some.
High jumps?
No.
No, high jumps! High jumps. These ramps before, I think.
This time I'm going to do.
Oh no, it's really. Whoa. Okay.
Now don't jump.
Okay.
Oh.
Do the one on the other side. Wait. Fix this. Okay. Wait. Okay. Do this one. Whoa.
Oh, now crush some barrel.
Barrels.
Let's try this. Let's not forget all the ramps.
Really again? Oh, here, you didn't do these containers yet. And wait. Okay, do some more ramps.
Okay. Oh.
Wait, where is he? Oh. Okay. We've never done a donut before, right? Make him do a donut. Wait, save. And then donut.
Now do another donut.
Whoa. Okay, your final jump. I think I want you to do this ramp here. This ramp.
The final cool
Okay, wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Whoa, that was awesome, right?
Oh yeah, but then he crashed so bad.
Oh yeah, right. He crashed so bad. Here comes Finland. Okay, first we gotta turn him around, just like so. We're gonna turn him around. Here, Buck, you try this.
Whoa!
Oh, good. Whoa.
How
You're carrying him.
Oh,
Okay. There, he's doing a wheel.
now.
And then you tell him. Okay, bring him right there. Beep, beep. Taxi service from Roland. Okay. Done? Okay, done. Okay, so yeah, the dirt spot will fix the stadium again, and then we'll try our next monster truck. Okay, what monster truck do you want to try next?
Grave digger.
Oh yeah, ba-da-da-da-dun. Da-da-da-da-dun.
What did you this again?
Okay.
Actually, this.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh man.
Oh, you already knocked down the foot ramp. Here, try the foot ramp again.
Okay, this.
I don't think it's gonna work. Yep, it didn't work. Okay,
This.
Okay, here. Whoa!
Oh, I thought he was going to do a wheelie. Now this side.
Oh my!
Oh.
You landed on my foot. Okay.
Oh, now next time go. Okay, I cannot do a donut.
Can't do a donut. Why?
Okay, I think I'll do it here.
What do you mean?
Okay, I think I'll do it there then. Oh,
Oh, that was really
now a
Donut?
wheelie.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Try. Okay, do
Some
some more
more.
films. Here, you didn't do this area yet. We got
Oh,
we got all this area to do. Whoa! Here we got this ramp, all these ramps. Haven't tried it, and yeah, let's fix this ramp.
This will be the last.
Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness!
Oh my!
Whoa!
That was epic!
Yeah. Okay, we got him back. Okay.
This time. Oh yeah, the moon. I got to crush the stuff.
Yeah, I gotta crash into stuff.
I'll do a circle.
Oh! Oh! Jump over the cars and then crush them after.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, he did wheelie.
You did a wheelie? I didn't see that. I don't know if you guys did. Oh, pushing the cars, messing them up.
Oh,
Okay, now it's your
epic
final jump.
jump.
Okay. Go! Oh my god! Wow! Figures out right, everyone.
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep. Okay, let's take him out here, and then okay, there. So we put the foot ramps right aside the transforming hauler because to stop them not getting knocked over when the monster truck goes on it. So we're pretty tired out from all of that. So yeah, we're gonna take a little break. Okay, we'll see you later.
Bye.
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 Okay, we're back from the break.
Yeah.
Hey, what monster truck do you want to go next?
I know
The
the
digger?
digger.
Oh yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh whoa! Oh whoa! 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 Okay, wait, test out the flip ramp. See if they work.
Okay, let's
Three,
see.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Oh,
Oh!
okay, so these work.
Yeah, wait. Let's see what's the footage.
Yeah, they did.
Oh, another one. Do another one. Oh. Okay. Do the high jump.
You know what I'm going to
High jump. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Okay, I was supposed to do
What?
no, the wheelie was
Oh. Oh. Okay. Wait. Okay. Do it. You can do it now. Whoa. Do the middle. Then knock down. You didn't knock down anything yet.
That will be the last one.
This? Okay.
No, I'll show you that.
Okay. Whoa. Ah. Okay. Whoa. Why didn't you didn't knock down anything yet?
Oh, yeah. Let me do circle.
Wow. Oh. Oh, I want to flash. Oh, press the cars. Wow. Oh, okay. Last jump. Choose your last jump.
I know it was.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Beep, 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 beep. Son of a digger coming through. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, there. Wait, we need a water break. Right? We need a water break.
Mm-hmm.
Water break time. Okay, what monster truck do you want to go next? I got Soldier Fortune, Blue Thunder Eyes, and Megalodon.
There's 3 monsters left.
Who do you choose?
It's hard. I think.
Oh, Blue Thunder Ice.
Ice.
Freezing everything. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa!
That will be the end.
Okay. Oh!
If I was going to do a wheelie. Okay. Let's do that.
Wait, what? This?
Yeah. First, let's do wheelie.
Nose wheelie.
First,
Back.
wheelie. Stop first.
And then...
And
Have you tried doing donut wheelies?
What?
Donut wheelies.
We have a quick.
I said donut wheelies. Here, these are donut wheelies. I guess. I don't know if they're possible to do, but here, donut like this. Here. Wheelies. Here, they're like this. Oh yeah, that. Oh, I knocked out some barrels. Okay. Okay.
Let's do a quick one.
Okay. Okay, then go. Okay, go. Okay, other ramps.
Wait, we did not jump.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
Wait, yours the end I just said?
I just do anything. This is the last one. Just do anything.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, wait. Before knock down stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Knock down stuff. Oh.
Oh, no.
And then press pause.
This.
Whoa. Okay.
Ramps. Let's do double.
Okay, this is last one, and okay, done. You're done.
No.
No, you're done. Okay. Okay, now you're done. Okay, beep, 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 beep. Okay, and then we gotta let. Yeah, we're almost done, right? You can go back to where you were. Digs. Okay. You're on the land. Okay. Okay, we got 2 more monster trucks left.
So we're almost done
Yeah,
with
what
the video.
What monster truck do you want to try?
You think I'm going to choose
I don't know.
a metal, which is an army. Soldier Fortune!
Famous guns in the army.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, where did he go? Oh, there we go. Okay. This is always my favorite outfit. Whoa! Whoa! Let's do this.
Whoa! Oh, that's cool. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. There you go. Put it there. Backwards.
Oh, no, not again.
Oh, no. We'll get that. Now we'll get that.
What Rams?
Oh, wait. Oh. No, wait. We didn't see that. Whoa. Okay, that's cool.
Oh, so
What's the next ramp we're gonna do? Let's see. Here it is. That. Okay. Do that ramp.
I'm going to do it.
Whoa! Whoa!
Let me get
Whoa! Where are you? Where? Oh, okay. He's there. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, that's his last jump. So guys, wait. Let's put him here. We don't need the dirt squad.
If he didn't cause him any damage, then it's the last one. Never done.
This is our last monster truck, so
Yeah.
get ready.
I'm so going to do it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Oh! And then, whoa! Up. Okay. Whoa! There's a little jump. Okay. Whoa! Okay. Whoa.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, wait. Knock down stuff.
You.
Oh, the circle. Wow.
Now this. Small round.
Oh.
Small down.
Okay. Okay. Do the flip ramp. Wait. We can see it. Wait, we can't see it. Okay, there, go. Whoa! Uh-oh. Ah, that's fine.
Wait.
Ow. Okay. The final jump. This is, no, actually, no. Keep going. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Okay, yeah, go get him. Okay, that was the final jump. Hey everyone, we're done!
Yeah! the monster trucks went through our
beautiful stadium.
Yeah, but that was so epic.
Yeah, that last jump.
Okay, everyone, that's it for the day. I'm
Yay.
Jaden. This is Butch, and bye.
Bye, everyone.